Hey there, Toussaint, Graham, and Mom. This is Mrs. Kroll. I wanted to go ahead and send a video out to you guys because I know during class today, when I asked Toussaint to log into the IXL program, he and Grandma weren't not quite sure what to do. So I told them I would send a video. I think that's the easiest and quickest way for me to give you guys what you need. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as him. I'm hoping this is the way that he gets into his classes. This is the only way he'll have access to the homework portal and the IXL portal, the apps that he'll need for his classes. So I went ahead and signed in as him, and I clicked the sign in button. And when he does this, his little dashboard, his class link dashboard should pop up. I'm just kind of moving it side to side so you can see the whole board. And, here is where he goes for his classes, the online school right here. And here is where he will go for IXL, which is what we were trying to work with today. And he wasn't sure, him and Graham weren't sure what to do. And here is the McGraw-Hill app where all of his homework will be. And I think I sent a video about that one before, but if you need me to resend it, let me know. So I just need him to finish his IXL diagnostic. I do have some data for him, but I need him to finish so I can write his goals. So that's what I was going to have him do in class today, but they were having some trouble. So he'll click on the IXL button right here. And then his main page will come up with a bunch of suggestions and recommendations. And he's going to go here to this diagnostic tab. Like he'll actually just click on the word and the page will load, and he'll just click right here where it says step into the arena. So he has like 3 stars down here. Let me try to move this down a little. So he has 3 stars, but I need to get the other 3 areas kind of honed in and pinpointed so I know his levels. So that's why I wanted him to do the IXL today. So if you could have him work on this, even if he can get it done by, I don't know, maybe, what is today? Wednesday. So if he could have it done by Tuesday, I would say that would be good. It gives you guys a good, 6 days to get it done. And it shouldn't take too long. He's about halfway with the green section, which is fractions, and about halfway with the blue section. Like the teal color is fractions, and then the green section is like data and statistics. So he's about halfway there, and then some measurement questions. Those are probably the hardest areas, so maybe that's why he stopped where he was. But if he doesn't know the question, he can just continue to hit the I don't know button. I'll actually log in to show you that. So he'll hit his diagnostic. He could pick any one of these questions. And in fact, if it comes up with reading, he can change it to math by going over here, these little circles, and click math. And then he could pick which question he wants to do. It doesn't matter which one. So say he picks the money one, and if he doesn't know how much money is here, he can always click this I don't know button. And he can click it 10 times, 15 times. It doesn't matter because the questions will adjust. But if he does know it, then, definitely have him answer it. And if he wants a break from math and he wants to go and do some reading, he can go to the language arts tab also. And then if you want to know, how far is he almost done with all of his stars? You can go up here where it says see your levels. So I'm just going to click on that real quick. And yeah, it looks like he's halfway through with reading and then also halfway through with math. So if he could just kind of keep working on there and aim for Tuesday to get it done, that would be great because then the teachers can build his goals from there. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. You can email me using the email system if you guys know how to do that. It's just the little envelope in his online school. If you don't know how to do that, then you guys can let me know and I can make another video for that too. All right, hope this helped. And if you guys have any questions, email me or you can call my office. It's 412-545-9985 and leave a message, and I will help you out as soon as I'm able. All right, thanks so much.